Hey y'all, I'm Allison Walker with Randolph County 4-H.
And I'm Alan Walker, and I'm going to try to show you how to make hummingbird food. After each use, I try to wash it out pretty good because you don't want any mildew or mold getting on your feeders and making hummingbirds sick. So I wash them out, and then these are 8-ounce feeders, and I usually use the 4-to-1 ratio, which is about 2 ounces. And then all I do, putting about that much in, just a little bit more. And that's about a 4-to-1 ratio. And then I use the hottest water that I have. Some people use boiling water. If you got hot water, you don't need to. And then I simply shake it up good. And then finish filling the feeder. Now some people, and that's quite all right too, some people make large batches at one time. I just do this because I can keep my feeders clean and I know how fresh the food is. And if your hummingbirds are not eating regularly, you need to pour out your old feed and make sure they have clean food every 2 to 3 days, because like I say, in hot weather the mildew and mold grow in it and it could make them sick.